Hello, aspiring designers. Myself, Debolika Roy, and I am the mentor of Archie Jewel Academy. Today, I am going to discuss a very vital point, which is going to be the key point in your jewelry designing journey. Now, what is the point? The point is the importance of research work in jewelry designing. Now, you guys may ask, what is the use of research work in jewelry designing? I would tell you. Research work is very crucial in finding the inspiration, which is the first and the very important point in jewelry designing, because we, the jewelry designers, we first visualize the thing and then we take it out in papers. So we have to first find and research the inspiration. We have an exceptionally good inspiration, then our designs will be very much creative. Now let's move to the next point. Point number 2, where we need the research work, that is the market trend. What is going on in our trend? We just cannot design anything we feel like. Whatever coming in our visualization, we just cannot create it in papers. We have to go with the trend as well. So our second point is trend. You have to research on what the trend is going on in the market, what the clients are expecting from us, what your client's choice is, what are the designs which are going on in the market. Accordingly, you have to design your jewelry items. Now I'm going to give you a glimpse on both the points that I have discussed just now. Point number 1, that is the inspiration, and point number 2, that is the trend. Now I'm going to connect both of them and going to give you a glimpse and different key points how to create a jewelry item on different festive collections. If we consider the biggest festival which is coming up next, that is the Christmas. I can give you different key points on how to create a jewelry item on Christmas. If we consider the snowflakes, or we can consider the Christmas tree, we can convert these two different points into different motifs. And just to add a little more beauty in it, we can add different types of gemstones like diamond or any other gemstones, and we can create any type of jewelry item. So this is how research work and development helps us in creating a beautiful and gorgeous jewelry design. Now point number 3. Point number 3 is a blending of culture and history. Why we need to research work? We need to research our history first. If I tell you about our history, if we don't design anything new. Whatever we design, we blend it. The history, the previous, the past, the ancient designs and the modern designs, we blend it and convert it into a fusion. And nowadays, this in the Western, this fusion designs, these designs have come up into the market. So here, the main point of research work is you have to research on your history. If you work on your history, if you find out the main points, the main creative concepts of the historical people, the creative concepts of our history, then you can blend it with our culture, then you can blend it with our modern present situation, present choices of people, and accordingly you can create a fusion design and present it to your client. Hope this video will help you to get different types of ideas on creating a jewelry item theme wise. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with us to get more videos like this. Thank you.